Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. This is me, Tapos Kumar Pradhan, a student of the political science, and I would like to welcome to all of you to this session of my YouTube channels. So, guys, I would like to issue to all of you a happy Deepavali. Okay, so this is the day which we should lighting our thought and our soul with a hundredfold potential that whatever we do in our life we will do the dedication which we will do better with a honesty and which will do in a very dignified way. So from this note, let's start our discussion because guys, as you know that we are in a series of the Odisha politics covering the its polity, the structure, organ of the government. I know this day is holiday, but our preparation should not be stop here. So, guys, on these notes, let's start. So, I will cover in this sessions the judiciary portions. Okay, as you know, we successfully cover the few of important things like from the legislative and executives, which I feel that is helpful for examination. And this day we'll trying to cover the judiciary, what can be there possible in examination, and how we should prepare, and what is the thing we have to keep in your mind while basically preparing such portion. So we will cover both the theory and the questions. So I will first switch the theory, then question, then you can understand that what you have to focus. So guys, basically as you know that we always study through the help of the table and chart because it will help to visualize the things when we are sitting when we will sitting in the examination. So similarly you can see here all factual detail about the judiciary or high court, okay, the Odisha. Like here you can see high court for the bar okay. So high court bar association, what is the contribution of high court bar association? This is how the chronology table, the evolution of Odisha high court we are going to discuss on the under this chart. Okay, so what is the contribution of high court bar association on 26th July 1938? On 26th July 1938, the first time the demand for the high court for Odisha. So guys, as you know that the examiner is quite interesting to ask the question in term of the first. So as we know that for the Constitution Assembly for the first time it was demanded by M.N. Roy. Similarly you can see here that for the first time the creation of the High Court, the High Court Bar Association on 26 July 1938 first time demanded for the creation of High Court Bar Association for Odisha. So which date? So 26th July 1938. Okay, so this is how you have to be prepared. Then committee for High Court. So committee for High Court, Sri Birokishore Roy. Okay, so guys, Sri Birokishore Roy was the chairman of the committee for creation of High Court. Okay, and it was the basically derived the instructional power under Government of India Act 1935. As you know, for creation of any kind of legal instrument there is a committee. Like for the creation of High Court in Odisha, there is a committee, and the chairman of that committee is like Sri Birokishore Roy, basically chairman of it. So they can simply ask the question, which of the following is the chairman of the committee for creation of the High Court in Odisha? That is how Sri Birokishore Roy. Okay. Then Government of India. So what is the role of Government of India Act? So on 30 April, the Odisha High Court order basically issued. Yes, guys. So on 30 April, the Government of India Act issue a Odisha High Court order on 13 April 1948. Yes, guys. On 13 April 1948, the Government of India issued the Odisha High Court order. Okay. So they can ask the question under which act or the legal legislations the Odisha High Court was created. That is how the Odisha High Court order 1948. They can confuse you by writing the Government of India Act 1935. So you have to clear the Odisha High Court was created under the Odisha High Court order 1948, the Government of India Act. Okay, so this is how you have to remember. Finally, the Odisha High Court was created in 26th July 1948. So they can ask the question like In which year the Odisha High Court was created? So what, 26 July 1948 finally the Odisha High Court was basically created. Yes guys, Odisha High Court was created 26 July 1948. So this is how the thing. Then first, who is the first Chief Justice of the Odisha? That is how your Biro Kishore Roy. So they can also ask the question, who is the first Chief Justice of Odisha after the basically creation of Odisha High Court and separate Odisha High Court? That is how Biro Kishore Roy, the first Chief Justice of Odisha. Yes, Biro Kishore Roy. Then the inaugurated. So this High Court is basically inaugurated by whom? So it is a H.J. Kania. H.J. Kania is the Chief Justice of Federal Court of India. Chief Justice of Federal Court of India, H.J. Kania, basically inaugurated the Odisha High Court. In which year? 1948. So they already asked the question. Recently your PGT examination of 2023, they asked the already question. So they can ask also question from here, but they can modify ask. So this is how you have to remember the H.J. Kania, Chief Justice of Federal Court of India, 1948, basically inaugurated the Odisha High Court. Okay, so this is how the things. So this is all about the basically theory we study, and from the help of this theory, this note, we can attend the multiple question. So this question is like so guys, is prepared by me, and it is also so interesting that you can be analyze the how you basically where you stand. Okay, so let's start first question in front of you, like the statement. So on March 22, 1912, Bihar and Odisha province was formed. First statement, okay, on March, question number 1, first statement talk about on March 22, the 1912, the Bihar and Odisha province was formed, okay. Statement second talk about in 1916, there was a first sitting for the Odisha High Court, okay, under the chairman of Gopabandhu Das. So which of the following is correct? So both are correct, or both are incorrect, or one is correct and second is incorrect, or one is incorrect, second is correct. So guys, the first statement is absolutely correct. On March 22, 1912, there is a Bihar and Odisha province, separate province was created. Yes, it is correct. So on March 22, 1912, yes, it is correct. But second statement, like 1916, there was a first sitting for the Odisha High Court were basically under the chairman of Gopabandhu Das. No, it is not the Gopabandhu Das, it is the Madhusudan Das. So you know the Madhusudan Das, basically we call him as a barrister, okay, of the Odisha. So like there is a song like to be a Madhusudan and to be basically climb in the something like song. So this is how you have to remember the in 1916 there was a first sitting for the Odisha High Court under the chairman of Madhusudan Das, not the Gopabandhu Das. So they can play with you in that manner. The second question in front of you, like adjacent and rejection based question. On April 1, 1936, Odisha as a separate state and separate high court also created. So adjacent region is like in front of you. In 1938, High Court Bar Association adopted a resolution for the creation in High Court in Odisha. So guys, as you can see, the first statement is incorrect because the first statement talk about 1936 there is separate state was created, but there is separate High Court is not created. As we study that separate High Court was created in 1948. So it is wrong. So this adjacent is wrong. Region is absolutely correct. As we study 1938, basically High Court Bar Association adopted a resolution for the creation of the High Court Odisha. So that's why the region is correct, but adjacent is wrong. Why? Because in 1948 we study that there is a High Court was created in Odisha. So that's why this adjacent is wrong. Okay, that's why is the adjacent is wrong. So you have to remember, although there is a separate state like Odisha created, but High Court was created in later. So you have to be keep in your mind. That is how the thing. Then guys, there is a wonderful questions. Although your SSP Political Science cannot make such question because it was the high level, which is basically UGC NET are frequently asked. And the question is like arranged in chronological order, that you have inauguration of a High Court by the H.J. Kania, okay. Then creation of the Odisha High Court, okay. So creation of Odisha High Court. Biro Kishore Roy as the chairman of the committee for High Court. High Court basically Bar Association demanded for the High Court. So this is how 4 information are given you, and you have to be find out that basically in chronological order which things happen first and which things happen second. So you can also basically do through help of our notes only. So this is how the basically a typical question, but it can be doable. Yes guys, it can be doable. So first of all you have to be notice here, like Biro Kishore Rai. Okay, so High Court Bar Association was demanded first asibo. So High Court Bar Association, as I said, in 1938 High Court Bar Association demanded for the basically creation of the High Court. Then after the basically Biro Kishore Rai is the chairman. Okay, so Biro Kishore Roy, chairman of this. Okay, then after that there is a basically creation of Odisha High Court on 26th July 1948. There is a creation of Odisha High Court. Then after that there is a inauguration of the High Court by H.J. Kania. So guys, H.J. Kania basically inaugurated the Odisha High Court. Okay, so in 1940 basically 8. So this is the chronology. First, the Bar Association is demanded for Odisha High Court. Then second, that there is a Biro Kishore Rai is appointed. Then after that, it is a creation of Odisha High Court. Then it is inaugurated by the H.J. Kania 1948. So this is how a chronology based question, and which is helpful to remember a lot of question from one question. Okay, this is how the things. Then question number 4 in front of you. Okay, so in which year the Government of India Act issue under the basically issue order the Odisha High Court for there will be shall be High Court in Odisha. That means that in which year that Government of India Act argue that there will be a High Court of Odisha under the basically the Odisha High Court order. So it is the 26 July 1948, it is the June 8 1948, or July 26 1948, or 5th July 1948. So guys, that is answer is like 5th July 1948, that the Government of India Act under the Odisha High Court order 1948 highlighted that on the 5th July 1948 there will be a Odisha High Court, but Odisha High Court was created subsequently on 26 July 1948, as we already studied. Okay, 1948. So this is how the thing. Then Rajasthan region based question, that Odisha High Court order amended in 1948. So Rajasthan and region talk about the date of establishment changed from 5th July to the 26th July 1948. So Rajasthan is correct, because as I said, Odisha High Court basically order was amended in 1948 only. Yes, Odisha High Court order was amended in 1948 only. Region is also providing explanation why it is amended, because that it changed the 5th July as a date of the creation of Odisha High Court to the 26th July 1948. So that's why Rajasthan and region both are correct, and the region is also providing the correct explanation. Then the 5th question in front of you, like that which among the following was not a Pojin, okay, not a Pojin judges of the Odisha High Court in 1948. So Pojin judges of Odisha High Court 1948, that R.L. Narayan Singh, Sri L. Panigrahi, B. Janta Jagannath Das, or Sri Biro Kishore Roy. So guys, this question it will be homework for you, that which among the following was not a Pojin judges of Odisha High Court 1948, R.L. Narayan Singh, or Sri L. Panigrahi, or B. Jagannath Das, or Sri Biro Kishore Rai. Which is the correct answer? You have to provide in comment section. Okay, and also highlighted what does it mean by Pojin judge, because it is going to be typicals. So this is all about from my side the Odisha High Courts, the important factual information, and it was a typical task for me for preparing such the precious note and question, because it has also take time. So I hope it is helpful you, and it will be definitely make sure that you can attend the question through help of these classes and notes. And if you really like our such kind of effort, do basically share with your friend and press the bell icon, and do comment in the comment section that this homework, because it will be also providing motivating that I am also learning with you. Okay, this is how all about the thing. Thank you guys, have a nice day. Again, I would like to wish you the happy Deepavali. Let's enjoy, and also do study some amount of, because we have to do that also. Thank you guys, have a nice day and a safe night.